Hello, I'm making a series of videos about my trip to Tokyo in 2012. The video that you're watching right now is part 14 of this series. If you want to learn more about why I went to Tokyo in 2012 and why I'm sharing this now in 2024, I recommend that you watch part 1, which is the introduction to this series of videos. So here is Japan, and here is Tokyo. So that's a closer look at Tokyo. Throughout this series, I'm using the notes that I wrote back in 2012 in French. Jeudi 9 août 2012. Skype de 5h30 à 6h30. So every morning, I walked from the house there to Kosuge Station, à l'école jusqu'à 13h. Then I took 3 trains from Kosuge Station to Shinokubo Station. And then I walked from Shinokubo Station to the school. Lunch dans petit restaurant près de l'école, à environ 14h30, arrivé à Ikebukuro. Then I went to Ikebukuro Station. Shinokubo is there, Ikebukuro is there. So I'm spending the afternoon in Ikebukuro. I want to see what is in this area. I feel it's mostly shopping centers. So I'm going to try to do something else than just shopping. Oh, that is cute, but maybe a bit small. Yeah, very small and cute. Aww. Oh, shrimp. Oh wow, cute little shrimps. Wow, oh, I'm actually into a proper store. Wow. Oh, little snail. Not focusing, no, we are not focusing. Aww, oh, so cute. Oh, there you go, focusing. Little snail, little fishy. Yeah, more fishy. Very cute, that one. More fishy, very beautiful, those ones. I really love goldfish. Oh, don't know what that is. Alright. Oh, it's there. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I think it's a salamander, no, isn't it? That's, how do you say, Bernard l'ermite in French? Bernard. Hermit crab. Yeah, there's beetles. They are very popular with kids in Japan, the little beetles. They were in 2012. I have no idea if they still are popular, but that was a thing. Very cute. Are those real? Oh. J'ai perdu du temps à chercher le Nekobukuru, café à chat. Nekobukuru. So it's not impossible that it doesn't exist anymore because it was 12 years ago. Right? So that's a place where there are cats. Nekobukuro. Nekobukuro, cat's house. So you pay the entrance to spend some time with cats. So that's 600 yen the entrance. That's a bit much, just to spend some time with the cats. That's something you wouldn't see that much in France. Yeah, it wasn't really that popular at the time. Now I know that there are more places like in France where you can, like cafes, or like, I know that in my hometown there is a bookshop where they have cats. But usually the idea is more like there are cats, but you have to leave them alone because, you know, they don't want to be bothered. Yeah, I don't know. I think it was a bit weird when you have a place where the only thing to do really is to pet the cats. It's a bit much maybe for the cats. Yeah, that's a lot of people. Yeah, and that's kind of like the only activity, you just pet the cats. So it's not like you're going for a drink or just to read or whatever. It's like, yeah, the cats are like, they just want to nap, you know. Puis j'ai fait des petits tours dans l'immeuble. I think that's a different place now. That's cakes for dogs. So the concept is nice, or at least original. But the animals don't have enough space, I think. And they're really bored. So that's not really the greatest. And in the shop things for the fish, that's really bad. They don't have enough water. It's in really small recipients. So that's not the greatest, even if it's kawaii. Ensuite, Sunshine City et Sunshine 60. Okay, so that's those buildings near the Ikebukuro station. So apparently Sunshine City is a store and Sunshine 60 is what, the building? What is this? So that's this area. It's, from what I understand, that's the sign. Oh yeah. It's, I don't remember the name. So that's a stamp, that's your signature basically. Official signature. Yeah, I don't really know how this works, but yeah. Yeah, it's with those stamps that you can sign official documents. I don't actually remember seeing that. I know that recently I've seen videos talking specifically about that, so I know about this concept, but I didn't remember that I actually saw it like 12 years ago in Japan. There are a lot of videos about this topic, so you can just look for them. Those people know better than me, so like, yeah. Okay, so if you want to know more, that's called a hanko. So if you want to learn more about this, just search for hanko on YouTube and you will learn more about this. So that's the cases for the stamps. Yeah, that's really beautiful if you're really interested in this. So yeah, you can just put it in there. That's just little cases for the stamps. So different style, even like looking like a pen. It looks like chopsticks. Wow, okay. I've seen that actually, like since then again, but I didn't remember I had seen that in Japan. I mean, just learn guitar, you know, like, what the... Sunshine City.
Ça a l'air super bon.
It looks really good and not expensive in this restaurant. Oh, very nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that's really nice to have those resin dishes. Yeah, that's really nice the way that it's presented. Very, oh, beautiful. Toilets. The toilets. No, I filmed the toilets. Stop screaming, babe. Yes, another vending machine. Yes, let's try it. Very reasonable vitamin water. So that's
vitamine D, calcium.
D vitamin and calcium. Saint-Tropez. I'm not filming her skirt, just so you know. Oh, cigar. I don't know where that music is coming from. Vers 18h, j'ai trouvé un cybercafé manga, pas loin de la gare d'Ikebukuro, sortie est. Right, so then I found a cybercafé manga next to Ikebukuro station. I didn't try the name of that cafe and I think there were a lot. So I'm not even going to try to find it. Arrivé à Kosuge, environ 19h30. Alright, so then I went back to the house, back to Kosuge station there, and I walked to the house somewhere there. Just waiting for the train. まもなく4番線を列車が通過いたします。危ないですから黄色い線までお下がりください。Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I really enjoy looking back at those old photos and videos from this trip. It's really like one of my favorite trips. Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye.